1-800-522-0804. That is the number to call to schedule a consultation. Hello, you're on the radio.
Yes, good afternoon, bro.
How are you?
I'm fine. I want to ask a question.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not working, but my father is going to do an affidavit of support.
Right.
One affidavit of support enough?
Depends on how much he makes.
Depends on how much he
Right.
makes.
Who are you sponsoring?
My husband.
Okay. And how many people in your family? That you
My
have,
family?
Yeah, that you have to support.
4 of us.
4 of you all together.
Yeah.
And how many people in your father's family that he has to support?
I think 2. His wife still have the affidavit of support.
Okay, so you're a family of 6 people altogether. 4 in your family, 2 from your father. 7, 14. Let me just do the math in my head quickly. 15, 16, 17, 5. I would say if he's, I don't have the poverty guidelines in front of me, but I would say if he's, earning more than $39,000, he should be fine. It could be a little less, but I don't have the poverty guidelines right in front of me.
About 38.
Yeah, right in there. It should be okay.
I think he's in the 30s. I'm not sure.
Well, then, if I were you, then what I would do is just to double check, because you don't want to get denied for an affidavit of support, because you could always get a different person to do it. Make an appointment to come see me, because I don't have the affidavit. I don't have the numbers right in front of me, the poverty guidelines, and we'll check it out for you and double check that this is going to be okay. It's worth the consultation.
And my husband cannot use his money, right?
Not if he didn't earn it legally. Meaning that if he's in the United States and he worked illegally, then you cannot use it.
Oh, even though he paid tax.
Even though he paid taxes.
Oh.
All right?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. 1-800-522-0804. That is the number to call to schedule a consultation. We're going to go to this call right here. Hello, you're on the radio.
Hello, Brad.
Yes.
I got a marijuana charge downgrade to disorderly conduct.
Good
I
for
don't
you.
want to travel. Can I travel?
Enjoy your trip. Bon voyage.
What you say?
I said bon voyage. That means enjoy your trip. As long as it's a disorderly conduct and you don't have any other convictions, disorderly conduct is not any reason to harass you or stop you at the border. What I would do, though, is just as a precaution, if they do ask you about it, you don't have to show them, but if they ask you about it, have the disposition in your luggage, and you can show them, and it'll make life a lot easier for you.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Okay, good luck with the trip. 1-800-522-0804. Hello, you're on the radio.
Yeah, Brad.
Yes.
In 2006, a petition from a kids them back in Jamaica, and the priority date is February 06. And the case is closed now. You could tell me how far they're at now?
I believe, I don't have the computer in front of me, but I believe they are in April of 04 for unmarried children of U.S. citizens, if my recollection is correct.
Yeah, I'm a citizen.
Right, and your children are over 21. I would say if you're February 06 and they're in April 04, I would say you got about 18 months to go, approximately.
Even though they say the case is closed and they do like fingerprints already.
I don't know what you mean by the case is closed.
No, when they say the case is closed and they are in line for the visa right now.
Yeah. So
That's what they told me.
yeah. Well, the line is right now people who started in April of 2004. Case is not closed. The case has been approved, and you're on a waiting list, and probably you're about 18 months away on the waiting list.
18 months away.
Probably.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Thanks.
All right. 1-800.